Hey guys, hope you're well. Every week, Sophie will send me really awesome food that she made with our chili paste. It's amazing. So last week she made a pizza. So this week, I am gonna attempt to make a pizza as well, but using wheel style, which is the lazy and cheating style, or I call it a thin crust style, pizza using like tortilla. Now before you start this, remember to preheat your oven to 165 degrees. So first of all, let's slice out some peppers. There we go. I'm gonna just set this aside and we're gonna move to the chicken. Now the chicken is super simple as well. I'm using a chicken breast over here. I'm gonna make it into a butterfly. So let's cut it into half. And when that's all done, let's move our chicken to a plate over here. I'm gonna move this away, wash my hands. The next step we're gonna do is to marinate our chicken. So we're gonna season it with a bit of salt as well as marinate with a mixture of Mak Tok's fire chili paste and some tomato puree. Now if you don't want to use fire chili paste, you feel free to use our signature chili paste so that it's way milder than the one that I'm making here today. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it cook. The chicken is done, so I'm just gonna place it here, let it cool down for a bit before we work with it. Over here, I have 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Mak Tok's fire chili paste. Give this a good mix. Whoa, that is spicy. So the next step is just to assemble our pizza. I'm gonna grab my tortilla wraps. So I have 2 tortilla wraps over here because I'm gonna make a double layer one. I'm gonna spread some butter at the bottom of the first layer. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. Next step is I'm gonna put the amazing chili paste and tomato puree on it. There we go. So the next step is to put your cheese. The cheese that I'm using here today is mozzarella and some red Leicester mixed with some cheddar. The next layer on top. And we're gonna just spread some more of our puree over here. Add more cheese. So I'm gonna add in my peppers. Then let's add our chicken. Guess what's the last step? Yep, more cheese. And let's bring our pizza or cheap pizza into the oven. It's been 8 minutes, so let's grab our pizza out. Look at my pizza, guys. Let's garnish it with a bit of fresh parsley. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle the parsley on top of my pizza. Time to eat! Wow, it's so cheesy, a bit like my personality, but but it's just so awesome. Like it's got like a nice tomatoey chili flavors from the base that we made, and wow, it's so savory as well, and it's so easy to make. Like it takes minutes, like less than. To be fair, if you've got all the ingredients prepared, it takes like less than 10 minutes to make all this. Trust me. Guys, if you're craving for pizza and you want a simple and quick fix, try this recipe out. I'm sure you'll love it. If you like this recipe, guys, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you got any questions or suggestions, just leave it in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! Right guys, the next thing that we're gonna do is to season the salt.
Season the salt with more salt.
Then I'm just gonna sprinkle all my parsley on top of my... Then I'm just gonna sprinkle... I'm not sharing this.